So in today's video, we're going to talk you through how to use the Autobrite Direct high pressure quick release gun. The QR gun, or stubby gun as a lot of people call it, has been around for a while now and is the go-to when choosing to upgrade your pressure washer system. It was designed to be versatile and very easy to use. So let's jump straight into it. What comes in the box? Obviously, we've got the QR gun itself, which is made from impact-resistant plastic, the safety lock trigger, and brass quick-release connector for your interchangeable nozzle. You'll also get one of 3 different adapters, so you can choose between Nilfisk, M22 Kranzel, or Karcher fitment. You'll also receive an attachment for connecting into your snow foam lance. On top of that, you get 5 different interchangeable nozzles: 0, 15, 25, 40, and 60 degree spray angle. They have various uses. However, for typical use on your vehicle, we would recommend using the green and the white. So how do we use a QR gun? Simply connect it at the base of the QR gun to your pressure washer and then pull back the brass connector and attach your preferred attachment. In this case, we will use the green nozzle. As you can see, it's super easy to use and you can easily get into all those tight spaces without worrying about having a large pressure washer gun attachment getting in the way. For more information, please visit our website or come and see us in store. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe and let us know down in the comments what you would like to see in our next video.